What is going on, everybody? Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. This video is going to be a quick and effective way to verify if the Jandy TruClear salt cell is actually working or not. So it's a very simple process. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you need to do is go over to the power center. And right now we have this pool at 70%. We want to turn that to 100, or you can put it in boost mode, whichever you prefer. Now the cell should be producing 100% if it is working. Then the next thing we go ahead and do is shut the pump off. And what you'll find is when you close in on the cell, you see all that gray and all those bubbles being produced. That is showing the cell is making chlorine right now, actually. And it'll keep going until the no flow pops up on the, see how it just says popped up no flow? Now if we go back down, you can see that this area is now clear and there's no grayish, cloudyish bubbles being produced. So this cell is actually 100% working. So that is a quick and effective way to verify if the Jandy TruClear is working. So I hope that video helped a little bit. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.